There has been a lot of dumping of waste debris from the construction work, and our main aim is that this all construction work needs debris needs to be removed before the rains, because this area particularly is very important for the water flow. And if there is if this persists or this remains here, there's going to be flooding on one side and there's going to be water scarcity on the other. A lot of this debris is going to enter into the on the other side of the railway tracks. There is a lake, Majorda Lake, and if it enters into that, the debris will be remaining in that, reducing the water holding capacity, causing water scarcity. And at the same time, on the other side of the railways, people are going to get their fields flooded, because there are a lot of fields and a lot of farmers who are going to be affected by this.
लोक जो रोईन आल्लो आणि आता रोवपाक फुडें सरला तोय बी बेजार जातलो आनी सायमंडली आहा तशें परत जातलें लोक शेतां रोवपाची सोडटलो म्हणटच आमी मागता तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान जे कोण ऑथॉरिटीज आहा तेमी मातशें तें लक्ष घालचें आनी तें जाता तितलें बेगीन पावस एटलिस्ट एप्रिलान तरी तें निवड करपा जाय कित्याक गेले ते फावटी माया म्हयन्यान सायक्लोन जालो आमच्या शेतां पाड पडली.